Hey gardeners, Mylan here with ATL Grow. Today I'm going to take you through the setup of my new GreenStalk. I'm going to be filling it with the new veggie mix from Soil Cube. However, I am going to make one slight change to the veggie mix blend, and that's going to be adding some perlite to the veggie mix. My reason for the modification is that the GreenStalk garden waters from top down. So I want to make sure that the veggie mix is light enough so that it drains properly all the way throughout the system. First up, I'm going to get all the pieces of the GreenStalk garden unboxed. With the GreenStalk garden, you have the option of adding a base that will allow the system to rotate. So I went with the ultimate spinner base, and I've already pre-assembled the wheels. Next out of the box is the watering pan. This will actually sit on top of the system. Then we have the watering catch trays that sit in between each tray. Finally, out of the box are the 5 tiers. I went with the stunning stone color. Now I'm just going to spread out the tiers and then fill them with the veggie mix blend. I have grown in Soil Cube before. That's what's in all of my raised beds, but this will be my first time growing in the veggie mix. The veggie mix blend does feel a little bit lighter than the traditional Soil Cube. The clumping isn't bad at all, but I am still going to add the perlite just in case. For my mix, I'm going with approximately 1 cubic foot of the veggie mix and 1 part of the perlite. Now that this first mix is all blended up, I'm going to add it to the trays. Now that I have all 5 tiers filled with the veggie mix, it's time to load them onto the base. As you stack the tiers, you want to make sure that the watering trays stay nice and centered. Each tier has these interlocking channels to make sure that those channels are locked in place. Now that I have all 5 tiers stacked, it's time to add the watering tray. The watering tray has these tongue and groove notches, so you want to make sure those are locked in place as well. With it fully stacked, go ahead and test to make sure that it rotates properly. Rotating the GreenStalk garden is going to be very important in my case because the sun comes in this direction. I know that this area of the driveway is pretty level, so I'm going to roll it into its final spot. I'm pretty happy with this placement, so now I'm going to lock the wheels in place. With the wheels locked, I would give it a little push just to make sure that it's not moving. It's not, so that's good. Finally, we'll add the water to the top. Now that the GreenStalk garden is fully assembled, it's ready for planting. You can start off with plant starts from your local nursery, or in my case, I'm going to be direct sowing some cool season vegetables. So subscribe to the channel so that you can see updates along the way.